Okay, hey guys, in this video, almost done. Section 8, numbers 12, 13, and 14 we're going to do. Okay, we have another geometric figure. Notice they say it's not drawn to scale, so we got to watch out. Things aren't going to be drawn to scale. And they start giving me some angle measurements, and looks like I'm looking for Z. I need to get this angle over here. Okay, there's two X's right here. Let's go through. X equals 20. I'm going to put in a 20 right there, a 20 right there. Y equals 30, so a 30 goes over here. Okay, I still don't know enough. This is a concave polygon, so I don't know the sum of the angles inside. What I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this line right here. And when I extend that line, I've created a triangle on the left and a triangle on the right. Here's two angles on the left. These guys add up to 50, which means this angle down here must be 130 because it adds up to 180 right there. Okay, so if that angle is 130, check this out, you guys. That's a straight line. Straight lines are 180. So if this is 130, this has to be 50 right here. Okay, if you can read my writing, 50 plus 20 adds up to 70. So I need 110 more here. That's 110. Look, and now I know angle Z from this straight line. It must be 70. Okay, because one straight lines are always 180. So that's choice B. Okay, moving along, number 13. Having fun. Nothing like doing math all day long. Actually, I love it. Okay, x and y are integers such that y is greater than 7, less than 16. And then we have this proportion, x over y equals 2/5. Okay, so one restriction is y has to be somewhere between 7 and 16. And they said that they say they're integers. Yeah, they say they're integers. Okay, good. That restricts me. Well, if it's going to reduce to 2/5, the only thing for y to reduce is a multiple of 5, go down to 5. The only ones that are multiples of 5 that's in between 7 and 10, or 7 and 16 are this. Y could either equal 10 or y could equal 15. That's the only choices y could be. So for them to reduce, that's going to give me two x values on that, so that would be choice B. I don't care what the x values are, although I can figure it out. What over 10 equals 2/5 and what over 15 equals 2/5. But it's just asking how many values of x could there be. Okay, so it's choice 13. Alright, we've got another circle one here. Looks like a sector of a circle happening. Point O is the center of both circles in the figure above. If the circumference of the large circle is 36, okay, remember you guys, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now it's just 36. They didn't tell me anything about pi. They just said it's 36. And the radius of the small circle is half the radius of the large circle. Okay, we'll come to that in just a second. Let's get the radius of the large circle, you guys. If I took both sides and then divided it by 2 pi, that would get me r, 2 pi. So those cancel. I get the radius of the large circle equals 2 goes into 36, 18. I get 18 over pi. Okay? Now, since I don't have any pi's being involved inside the answers, you guys, I can just get rid of the pi. That's going to start confusing me. There's nothing to deal with pi in here. Let's just drop off the pi and pretend like because it's just there to confuse us some more. Let's just pretend like the radius is equal to 18. You're still going to get to the correct answer. Okay, now it says the radius of the small circle is half that, so my radius that I want is for the small guy is going to be 9. This is the small radius. Okay, let's see, and then it says what is the length of the darkened arc? Okay, this is my sector of a circle piece right here. This is where I got to do this, you guys. N over 360, and since its length, the length of a circle is talking about circumference, so I'm going to go 2 pi r. Okay, where N is this 80 degrees. So let me go down here. Whoops, I'm getting a little sideways there. 80 over 360 times 2 pi r. R is 9. Okay, the zeros cancel. 4 goes into both these numbers twice, and 9. Okay, and then look, this 9 and this 9 can cancel, so here we go, boom, boom. Now I get 4 pi. Okay, the answer is 4. Forget about the pi. You can put it back in with this pi up here, but if you just not deal with it, it's easier. Okay, answer is 4. All right, last two, and we're getting to the hard one, so we'll do the last two together, numbers 15 and 16.